So now it's time for our tool number 16, and that is Microsoft Copilot. So this is how the Microsoft Copilot tool actually looks like. So what this tool actually do is it can create an image for you, it can simplify a topic for you, it can improve your writing, it can even write your first draft, it can design a logo, it can write a joke for you, it can improve your communication. Even if you want quick response, you want thin, deeper response, you want for study and learn, or you want to use Smart GPT-5, or you want to search any answer, you can do all of that stuff over here. So over here, you will find Discover. When you will click on the Discover option, as the perplexity, as we saw in the previous lecture, the perplexity tool, it's somehow similar like the perplexity one when it comes to discover, search, and more. Chat GPT, discovery, and more. Chat GPT, perplexity, and Copilot. These are some of the most. It feels more similar tools. More. There's a bit difference when it comes to image generation, text generation, but it's somehow common in between. So these are all the libraries where you can, where when you will sign up, you then see your images, pages, reports, and podcast. When you will come over here, you then start a simple chat with this tool. So let's create an image. I want an image. So let's ask me a question about the subject, setting, and style that I want. So what should I focus? Main image on a person, animal. So right now I need a cute image of a cute little cat. So let's go for a cat image and let's see how this tool actually works when it comes to generating your image. So it's taken a bit of a time. So now my image is ready and see how this image actually looks like. So the cute image of that is now ready. So this image looks so real. It does not feel like an AI generated image. The prompt that I put in right now, that I need a cute little image of a cat, and this is how cute the cat actually looks like. The more deeper your prompt, the better it is for the AI to generate your response. So if I add over here cute little cat drinking coffee, relaxing, it will create a image of that. If I write over here cute little cat with a cute little doll enjoying coffee together, this tool will generate it the way I want it. So let's come to start a new chat. When it comes to image, it did really well. So let's go for simplify a topic. So I will add my article over here and I will just put in this article. Now this Copilot or this tool is going to simplify the entire article for me so that I can even understand it in a much more better way. So what this really means in simple term, we are always busy within doing nothing is bad, but stillness is powerful. Based on all the articles, the entire article that I pasted over here, it generated the entire thing in a more simpler format so that it is easier for me to understand. This was based on the article, but if you want to paste a PDF or document or even a YouTube video, you can add your YouTube video, you then simplify it and you will get your response based on what you want. How simple this tool is. If you want to improve your writing, I will paste that same article and I will hit enter, and now it will improve this writing and it will write the thing in a much more better way. So more professional or polished. Tighten the language for clarity and flow. Be more conversational, making it sound like heartfelt chat with a friend. More persuasive, more poet, all little shorter and punchier. So here's a few direction we should take. So it's given me I need it more conversational. So I write it over here and I enter it. And that was the same article but written in a much more better format, right? The storytelling format, in a format it feels like I am talking to a friend. That was the same article, but this is how you then use this tool. If you have written something by your own, but even you have used some other AI tools to write your to um, you have written an article using the other tool, and if you want to make this article even better, more storytelling for in a more storytelling format, more deeper format, you then simply use this tool to make it a much better written format, and this tool works really amazing. So let's come over to the new chat and let's see, design a logo for me. So, what is the purpose of a logo? The subject, the name, the style, and everything this tool needs. So, the name of the logo will be AI Boomer Simple Looking and Future Estate Style. So, let's click enter, and now let's wait for a few more moments for ProPilot to generate me a AI logo from or a logo for me. So the more detailed prompt that you will put in, the better the answer you will get. This was the most simplest prompt that I put in, but if I add more detail when it comes to color, style, design, thought, even I can give the even I can give some reference to any other logo, and this tool will help me create the one. So this is AI Boomer, but still it's not the way that I wanted to look like, because there was no deeper prompt for it. The way the color, the text, the font that I want, what I want in that logo. But if you will put a deeper thing or a deeper prompt to it, it will generate a proper logo the way you wanted it to be. So you don't need to go anywhere to create your business logo or your personal logo. This tool will do the job for you. So the better the prompt, the better the response. My prompt was an very average or a below average prompt. That's why this is the type of result that I got. But the only thing I want to say is give a detailed or a deeper prompt to this so that you will get a best or a great result. So let's come to write a joke for me. So what's the topic you want to? I need jokes on AI. Let's create a joke on AI, then share these things with your friends and family and they will enjoy it. Who is the audience? 25 to 30. Let's over here write the age. So why did the AI break up with the human partner? Because it needs space in the cloud. You then even generate me more, and it will give you more jokes that you want. So I asked my AI to write. So my AI assistant started roasting me. Turned out it was just stuck in a software update. So I told AI I was feeling down. It sent me 12 TEDx thought, 3 meditation app and a playlist thought. Additional prices banner. AI tried to take over my job. So there are so many jokes over here. You can improve your jokes if you want. If you want more funny jokes, you can write and you can get the response. If you click on the lab over here down, we did the chat part. We saw how the chat works. We even saw how the discover thing works. But if you will click on the lab over here, you will see pilot audio expression, portrait, voice chat. Just got fun with portrait. You then do pilot 3D, turn images into 3D models. You then do a vibrant way to talk to pilot actions, and there's a lot of stuff that you can do over here in the pilot. Let's go for a pilot 3D. Try now. So you can turn any image into a 3D format image. So let's upload the image from my file. So I need to continue with my account. So For now, I am not going to continue, but this is how the main thing will look like after you will upload the image. This is how your character or the image will look like. The final look of your image will be this 3D format, like all of these, whether it's art and design, whether it's any character, whether it's any scene, you will get these things, you will get your image in a 3D formatted image, and you will really enjoy this tool when you will get deeper into this tool and more. So this was all from Microsoft Copilot, and I hope you enjoyed this lecture. And the only thing I want you to do is just go play around with this tool, chat with this tool, create image, create your logo, just improve your writing skills, create your draft, do a 3D modeling part, and just play around and just enjoy this tool. So this was all from this lecture. I will see you in the next one.